Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. If I look tired, that's because I am tired. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. I've just worked a 10-hour shift, so forgive me if I'm looking a little bit tired, but this is a super exciting video. I have the Nikkie Tutorials Beauty Bay collab and I couldn't wait to unbox it. I am just so excited to unbox this, and the box is gorgeous. Like, the packaging is spot on. We're going to just jump right in, talk about the palette, the price point, do some swatches, and then if you head to my Instagram page and my Twitter page, you will be able to see some of the eye looks that I create with the Nikkie Tutorials and Beauty Bay collaboration palette. So I'm just having a quick scroll through the Beauty Bay website to see if there's anything interesting that I need to tell you about the palette before we go into swatches and the unboxing. The palette has completely sold out. They are asking that if you would like to know more about the palette or if you would like to sign up for the restock, then you can do so on the Beauty Bay website. That's really impressive. I'm really happy for Nikkie that her palette has sold out in the first wave of sales. As per the Beauty Bay website, a 20 shade pressed pigment eyeshadow palette. It's a moment we've all been waiting for, glow babies. Introducing the limited edition Nikkie Tutorials with Beauty Bay pressed pigment palette. Important things to note about the palette: it is vegan, cruelty-free, limited edition. Palette includes a double mirror with a zoom size for glasses wearers. I love that. And then there are some exclusive interviews with Nikkie Tutorials on the Beauty Bay website for you to read. I will link the links to those down below. Are you ready for this? I love this packaging because I don't know if you guys can tell, it's a little bit shimmery. It's a glossy outer packaging, Nikkie Tutorials times Beauty Bay, and on the back it says a little bit of a note from Nikkie herself. How gorgeous is that? I have never seen a palette like this, and that's just the packaging. But I'd really like to talk through this little chart that I have noticed that is also in the box. Inside the box there is a little information card from Nikkie. I want you to make the most out of these gorgeous shades, so I want to show you how to master their full potential. Some of the formulas work best when applied with a shadow brush to build them up, while others work better when applied with the fingers. Check out the symbols on the other side to see which. Have fun creating. And on the reverse of the card is a list of all the shades, and then either a brush emoji or a finger emoji. I think that's really neat that she is giving people the opportunity to learn how to work with her shades, but to also offer her guidance, because Nikkie as a beauty YouTuber is someone that I personally have watched for a few years. The reason we watch beauty bloggers is for their opinions and their techniques. And I think this is such a fantastic idea. I've never seen a palette come with a guide from a collaboration or a beauty blogger to say, hey, this is how I found my product's best work, say with my finger or with a brush. I think that's really unique and really clever and well thought out, so props to Nikkie and Beauty Bay for that. The moment I'm sure you've all been waiting for. I know I have. I've kept the suspense up long enough. Let's open the palette and do some swatches. Oh my god. It looks even better in person. The glitters are bomb. To speed up this video just a little bit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch each of the 4 rows individually, and then what I will do is I will give a little roundup in between of the shades that I like, the shades that I dislike, any little comments I have, and then we'll do a whole roundup at the end of the video. That duochrome is like a baby pink silver, and it is the most beautiful duochrome I have ever seen. I really love Redemption and Blend and Snap. Those two together would make a gorgeous sunset vibes kind of eye look. This is a really, really good start. That one's a little bit flaky, but that's still an absolutely beautiful yellow. Are you serious? Are you serious? I don't know whether I should laugh or cry. These are absolutely stunning. Plot twist in the blue is a little bit disappointing. It's a little bit flaky out of the pan, but it's still got pigment to it. It is still a beautiful baby blue color. This shade here just blends in with my skin. Might as well be my foundation shade at this point. So, but that would be a really nice transition shade. Blown away by the duochromes. Nikkie did not come to play with this palette. There are only two things that I am disappointed about this palette. Number one, it's limited edition. Number two, I have to buy another one, which means another £25 of my money is gonna go bye-bye because it's limited edition. I genuinely don't have a negative thing at all to say about the palette. This is better than some really, really high price palettes that I've bought before. Let's talk price point for a moment. £25 is the price of the palette for £20 of phenomenal duochromes and mattes and some shimmers. And let me tell you, it does not disappoint. The color story is unlike any that I have ever seen before. There are more colors than there are neutral muted tones. I am absolutely gobsmacked at how good this palette is. Huge congratulations to Nikkie Tutorials for coming out with such an amazing palette. Oh, when I grow up, I want to be like Nikkie Tutorials. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you liked today's video. If you would like to hear more from me, please click the subscribe button. Leave a like down below and a comment about your favorite shade. I really, really love the duochrome Mr. Tutorials. That like coppery tone to it is just, ooh, it's just gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.